Grace Gowdy. I'm the executive chef at Scratchboard Kitchen here in Arlington Heights. And I'm going to teach you today how to make your cake for the Nailed It cake. Starting out, we're going to grease our cake pan. So we're going to take some pan spray or Vaseline and put a thick layer onto the pan. While you're doing this, you can have your oven preheating to 350 degrees. So I'm going to spray the spray and then put some flour on it, just to coat the pan so your cake doesn't stick. Should look like that. We're going to set that aside and mix our ingredients. So you're going to mix your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients separately. So we're going to start with our dry ingredients here. So I have the flour, the salt, and then baking soda and baking powder. After all those ingredients are in the bowl, you're going to whisk them together so they're incorporated. You're going to set that mixture to the side. And you're going to start to mix your wet ingredients. So we have our water here. Our oil, you can use vegetable oil or any oil that doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. And then we have our sugar, our vinegar. I'm using white vinegar. You can use apple cider or champagne vinegar, whatever you have at your house. And finally, the vanilla. After all those ingredients are in the bowl, you're going to whisk them together until the liquids are all together and the sugar's dissolved a little bit. Should look like that. I'm going to take my larger bowl and put my dry ingredients in there, and then I'm going to add my wet into my dry. And I'm stirring as I add it. Make sure to scrape everything out of there. And then just like pancake batter, you're mixing it until it's smooth, but it's okay if there's a couple lumps in there. So you're looking for that. Everything mixed together and you'll see a couple of lumps in there. After you're done with that, grab your spatula and pour it all into your cake pan. I'm using an 8-inch cake pan here. You can use an 8 or 9-inch pan. Once it's all in there, I'm just gonna smooth it out to make sure it is even. And then this is going to go into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes.